Today, I'm going to show you Elon Musk's brand new Grok 4 AI that's about to change everything. This thing is absolutely insane. It's coming out right after July 4th, and it's going to be free. I'm talking about coding features that will blow your mind. Built-in code editor, real-time everything. And it's designed to crush ChatGPT. This is huge. This is revolutionary. And you need to see this right now. What I'm about to show you today is going to change the game completely. Elon Musk just dropped a bombshell. Grok 4 is coming, and it's not what anyone expected. But before I get into this, Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know what you think about this. Now here's what happened. 2 days ago, Elon posted on X. He said his team has been grinding all night, working on Grok, making huge progress. And then he dropped this bomb. The next version isn't going to be Grok 3.5 like everyone thought. It's going straight to Grok 4, and it's coming right after July 4th. But here's the crazy part. This isn't just another AI update. This thing is built to destroy the competition. I'm talking about ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, all of them. And the best part, it's going to be free. Now let me tell you why this matters. Because most people have no idea what's coming. They think AI is just chatbots. They think it's just answering questions. But Grok 4 is something completely different. First, let's talk about the coding features, because this is where things get insane. Elon said they need one more big run for a specialized coding model. What does that mean? It means Grok 4 is getting a coding brain that's built from the ground up. But wait, there's more. They're building a native code editor right into Grok. Think VS Code, but powered by AI. You can write code, debug code, run code, all inside Grok. You can literally talk to it and ask it to modify your code or debug problems. It's like having a coding expert sitting right next to you 24/7. And here's something nobody's talking about. The timing. Why July 4th? Because Elon knows everyone's going to be online, everyone's going to be looking for something new, and he's going to drop the most powerful AI the world has ever seen. But let me tell you what's really happening behind the scenes. Because this isn't just about coding. Elon is mad, really mad, at the current state of AI. He said Grok was parroting legacy media, giving wrong answers, and he's had enough. So what did he do? He's completely rewriting the entire corpus of human knowledge that Grok uses. Think about that for a second. He's literally cleaning up all the garbage data that makes AI give bad answers. He's removing fake news, removing bias, removing all the junk that makes AI stupid, and replacing it with real, accurate information. This is huge, because every other AI is built on messy data, bad data, biased data. But Grok 4 is being built on clean, accurate, real information, and here's where it gets even better. Grok 4 is being trained on xAI's Colossus supercomputer. This thing has over 200,000 GPUs. That's more computing power than most countries have. Grok 3 was already trained with 10 times more computing power than its predecessor. And Grok 4 is getting even more. This thing is going to be a monster. But let's talk about what this means for regular people, because this isn't just for tech nerds. Remember when ChatGPT came out and everyone lost their minds? Well, Grok 4 is going to make ChatGPT look like a toy. Here's why. ChatGPT can't access real-time information easily. It can't see what's happening right now on social media. It can't understand current events as they happen. But Grok 4, it's built into X. It knows everything happening right now. Every tweet, every trend, every breaking news story in real time. So when you ask it a question about what's happening today, it doesn't give you old information. It gives you what's happening right now. And the reasoning capabilities, insane. They're calling it first principle reasoning. Instead of just pattern matching like other AIs, Grok 4 actually thinks through problems from the ground up. What does that mean? It means better answers, more accurate answers, answers that actually make sense. But here's what most people don't understand. This isn't just about having a better chatbot. This is about having a tool that can actually help you make money. Think about it. If you're running a business, you need accurate information fast. You need to know what's trending, what people are talking about, what problems they have. With Grok 4, you can get all of that in real time and then use that information to create content, build products, find opportunities. And if you're into coding, game over. You're going to have the most powerful coding assistant ever built right in your browser for free. But wait, I said free. Let me explain that, because it's not completely free forever. Right now, Grok 3 is free until their servers melt. That's literally what Elon said. And Grok 4 will likely follow the same pattern. But even when it's not free, it's going to be way more affordable than you think, because it comes with your X Premium subscription, which is already cheaper than most AI tools. And here's something crazy, X just doubled their Premium Plus price because Grok 3 was so popular. They went from $22 a month to $40 a month. Why? Because people are willing to pay for this level of AI. But even at $40, that's still cheaper than most professional AI tools. And you get access to the most powerful AI on the planet. Now let me tell you why this is different from everything else out there. First, the speed. Other AIs are slow, you ask a question and wait. But Grok 4 is built for speed. Real-time responses, no waiting around. Second, the accuracy. Other AIs hallucinate, they make stuff up. But Grok 4 is trained on clean data. It's designed to tell the truth, even when that truth is politically incorrect. Third, the integration. Other AIs exist in isolation, but Grok 4 is built into the biggest social media platform in the world. It understands context, it understands what people actually care about. And fourth, the personality. Other AIs are boring, corporate, fake nice, but Grok has humor. It has attitude. It actually feels like talking to a real person. But here's what really matters. The competitive advantage. While everyone else is still trying to figure out ChatGPT, you're going to have access to something 10 times more powerful, something that can actually help you build a business, make money, get ahead. And the coding features, they're going to be insane. Imagine having a coding partner that never gets tired, never makes mistakes, never judges you for asking basic questions. You can literally describe what you want to build, and it will write the code for you, then test it, debug it, improve it, all automatically. This is going to democratize coding. People who couldn't code before will be able to build apps, websites, tools, whatever they want. And for people who already code, you're going to be 10 times faster, 10 times more productive, because you'll have an AI that actually understands code at a deep level. But let me tell you about the timing again, because this is crucial. GPT-5 is coming soon. Google is working on new models. Everyone's racing to build the best AI. But Elon isn't just building a better AI. He's building a completely different kind of AI. One that's connected to real-time information. One that's trained on clean data. One that's designed to actually help people instead of just sounding impressive. And he's doing it faster than anyone thought possible. xAI was only founded in 2023, and they're already competing with companies that have been doing this for 10 years. How? Because they're not held back by corporate politics. They're not worried about being politically correct. They're just focused on building the best AI possible, and the results speak for themselves. Grok 3 already outperformed ChatGPT on multiple benchmarks. It scored 93.3% on advanced math tests, 84.6% on graduate level reasoning, 79.4% on coding challenges, and that's Grok 3. Grok 4 is going to be even better. But here's what you need to understand. This isn't just about having better technology. This is about having a competitive advantage in business. Think about content creation. Right now, everyone is using the same AI tools. ChatGPT, Claude, Jasper. So everyone's content sounds the same. But with Grok 4, you'll have access to real-time information, current events, trending topics. You can create content that's actually relevant to what's happening right now. Think about research. Instead of spending hours Googling and reading articles, you can ask Grok 4 to do deep research for you in real time with current information. Think about customer service. Instead of generic responses, you can provide answers that are actually helpful based on real information, not old training data. And think about coding. Instead of struggling with bugs for hours, you can have them fixed in minutes. Instead of writing code from scratch, you can describe what you want and have it built for you. This is the future, and it's coming July 4th. But here's something most people won't tell you. The early adopters are going to win big. The people who get on this early, who learn how to use it effectively, who build businesses around it, because there's always a window, a few months where the new technology exists, but most people haven't figured it out yet. That's when the smart money moves, and that window's opening right now. So what should you do? First, get ready. Make sure you have access when Grok 4 launches, whether that's through X Premium or the standalone app. Second, start thinking about how you can use this in your business. What processes can you automate? What tasks can you delegate to AI? What new opportunities does this create? Third, start learning. Even before Grok 4 comes out, you can practice with Grok 3. Get familiar with how it works, how it thinks, how to get the best results. And fourth, act fast, because everyone's going to figure this out eventually. But the people who move first are going to have a huge advantage. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. This sounds too good to be true. AIs always overpromise and underdeliver. But here's the thing. This is Elon Musk, the guy who revolutionized electric cars, who built a private space company, who bought Twitter and turned it into X. When he says he's building the best AI in the world, he means it. and he has the resources to do it. 200,000 GPUs, the best engineers in the world, unlimited funding, and the motivation to prove everyone wrong. Plus, we can already see the results with Grok 3. It's not just hype, it's real, it's working, and it's beating the competition. But for now, focus on July 4th, because that's when everything changes. Grok 4 is going to launch, the coding features are going to blow everyone's minds, and the people who are ready are going to have a massive advantage. So mark your calendar, July 4th, 2025. Independence Day just got a whole lot more interesting. And remember, this is just the beginning. AI is moving fast, really fast, and the people who stay ahead of the curve are the ones who are going to win. That's why I make these videos, to keep you updated on what's really happening, not the hype, not the marketing, the real stuff that actually matters. And Grok 4, this is the real stuff. This is what matters. This is what's going to change everything. So get ready, get excited, and get prepared for the future of AI, because it's coming and it's going to be incredible. Now, if you want to stay ahead of the curve and scale your business with AI automation, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. And if you're serious about growing your online presence and getting more leads, I want to offer you a free SEO strategy session. The link is in the comments and description below. Also, we have a complete SOP and process inside the AI Success Lab. You'll find the link in the comments and description with over 100 use cases. We give away checklist tutorials every single day inside the community feed. You can get all the video notes from there too. Plus, we have over 13,000 members, so you'll be part of something bigger than yourself. Don't miss out on the AI revolution. Get access to everything you need to succeed. The links are below. And remember, Julian reads every comment, so drop your thoughts below and let me know what you think about Grok 4. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.